welcome to this update video. I really hope you're doing amazing today. We're going to be talking about what is going on across the tropics. So we're looking at the infrared weather satellite imagery. There's a new frontal system that has made its way offshore the United States and is continuing to move down to the southeast. And in the Caribbean, there is a surface trough that still loiters. We can see some convection around, especially in the western Caribbean. A bit of moisture coming into the southeastern islands, the parts of the Windward Islands. But that trough in the West Caribbean has been quite persistent. It brought a lot of rain to many areas. Even flooding took place this week in parts of Jamaica, for example, especially some of our eastern parishes. And even today, there could still be some additional periods of heavy downpours because it is still in the area. There's still that increase in moisture. But today, the 30th of November, is also the last day, the last official day, that is, of the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. So, it's been quite a ride. It's been quite an active season as well. The season had produced 18 named storms, and I'm going to be doing a full recap of the hurricane season. We'll be going over what took place in this year. I'll be doing a video for tomorrow for that specifically. But going on to the update for today, we're going to be looking at the rainfall forecast. Let's move on to it. And the more color we see indicates more rainfall activity anticipated. So as I said, the trough still loiters in the West Caribbean. There's that increase in moisture. So for parts of Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and even headed towards the vicinity of Central America, even for San Andres Providencia, there's quite a bit of color around. So there may be some instances of some heavy downpours, maybe with some thunderstorms as well. And then in terms of Central America, parts of the Bay Islands, sections of eastern Honduras and Nicaragua, going down to parts of Costa Rica, Panama, may experience the heavy rain. And then elsewhere, maybe some passing showers at the most, or nothing much, because we can see, especially for parts of the Yucatan Peninsula, that there's not much color around at all. So limited rainfall activity for the area today. And as we head to northern South America, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, through French Guiana may experience some heavy rainfall in some spots as well. Not going to be for everywhere. ABC Islands, a few showers may pass through. Southeastern Caribbean, rather, as I had mentioned, there's a bit of moisture in the area. So for parts of Trinidad, especially in the east, Tobago, even Grenada, there could be some showers moving by, heavy downpours possible at times, and some intermittent showers likely across the rest of the islands, going from the Grenadines northward through Anguilla, including Barbados. Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, Hispaniola, even towards the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos Islands, and Cuba, there may be some shower activity around. Not going to be widespread for the entirety of the various islands. And there is a frontal system, as I had mentioned. Now, as we're going to be heading into next week, go into next Wednesday. This is a look at the temperature anomaly map. And the yellows, oranges, reds, those indicate above average temperatures. The blue shadings indicate below average temperatures. And with these frontal systems coming down, we tend to get, a massive cooler air following behind cool, dry air. So as the current frontal system continues to make its way out, that cool air is going to follow behind it, and by the middle of next week, parts of the northern Caribbean, including the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos as well, will likely experience a little dip in temperature. That is anticipated. Parts of Central America may also be a bit cooler than normal. And this is going to be something that we continually see as we head throughout December, going into January, and even February next year. But by the end of the week, a lot of that cool air is expected to have dissipated within the vicinity of the northern islands that would have been impacted by it. And so, guys, there isn't anything major going on in the region at this time, and nothing new is anticipated in terms of tropical activity. At least there's no hints for that. So the last system that we had was Sarah, well, at least within the hurricane season, because it is unlikely anything is going to randomly form today. But there is no guarantee that we won't see anything in the month of December. There have been off-season storms in December all the way back through May. So we're going to be talking more about this tomorrow. As I said, I'm going to be doing a recap video, so be on the lookout for that. And of course, as I said, there's some places today may experience some heavy rainfall. So if you should encounter any heavy rain, any flood waters, please take the necessary precautions. Please stay safe as best as you can. And of course, I'll keep you updated as time goes by. So That is it for now. I do hope you found this video to be informative. However, if you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I'll get to you when I have the chance to do so, and remember to always be weather wise.